The door of the DCE33 can be reversed if needed. All machines ship from the factory with hinges installed on the right side of the door, allowing it to swing open from the left. Depending on where the ice machine is installed, opening the door from the right may be more convenient. In order to reverse the door on the DCE33, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the filler plate that is shipped inside the ice machine from the factory. Reversing the door starts with opening the door as wide as possible and then removing the 3 screws holding the lower hinge to the ice machine. Repeat this process for the upper hinge. Remove the door and hinges from the ice machine. Remove the 2 screws holding the top hinge to the door and then repeat this process to remove the bottom hinge. Remove the single screw holding the filler plate to the top of the door and set the filler plate aside. Install the other filler plate to the top of the door where the hinge was previously installed. Remove the 3 screws from the top front corner where the hinge will be mounted. Remove the 3 screws from the lower front corner where the hinge will be mounted. Flip the hinge upside down and reinstall it onto the bottom of the door on the opposite side using the original screws. Repeat the same process with the other hinge, flipping it and reinstalling the hinge on the top of the door on the opposite side with the original screws. Hold the door up to the cabinet and secure the door to the top hinge with the original screws. Secure the bottom hinge to the cabinet with the original screws. The door should now be fully attached to the machine again and open from the opposite side. Take the screws removed earlier and insert them into the holes that are now empty after swapping the hinges. Finally, open and close the door a few times to ensure proper operation.